Scene 2, take 1, Dr. Kiran Majaria. Oh, still nice. Yeah, I will have to. I'll be in my own house, going like this before every take. As an FY1 doctor, you complete a P87 form online on the Gov.uk website where you can claim tax back on things that you've paid for work. So practically what this means is anything that you have paid for personally that you use for work, you'll be able to get the tax back on, which is usually 20% as an FY1 doctor, but then soon you'll be hitting the next tax bracket of 40%. The other way you can do this is by using an accountant to help you through the process. Now, the advantage of this is if your taxes are a little bit more complicated or you've got multiple streams of income, they can make this a lot easier. But it's obviously more expensive to use an accountant rather than just filling out a form online. In my first year as a doctor, I claimed tax back on my GMC fees, my professional body fees, and my indemnity fees, because everyone who works as a doctor needs indemnity, aka insurance, to be able to work. And sometimes this is included in your training program, but other times you just have to pay for it. There's also a travel allowance if you're working far away from your base hospital, and you can claim money back for things like washing scrubs and buying replacement kit like stethoscopes. Now, you don't actually need to show any receipts to be able to claim this tax back, but it is good practice to keep them in case it's ever audited in the future, so you've got that evidence. For any courses that you do, this is normally paid for by the study budget in your hospital. So practically what this means is you submit an application to your training program director to say, I want to do this course on this date, it's going to cost this much. They say yes, and then you pay for that course personally. Once you've paid for that course, you then submit the receipt for the course, the certificate after you've been on the course, and the application form, and you will get refunded that money in your next paycheck. And I know this has been a lot of information, so if you've forgotten any of it, you'll be able to download everything after this workshop in the FY1 Survival Guide.